been a while since I've done a video. Let me get up here and get cleaned up. Maybe I can do another video. Oh, it's been a long, hard year.
Hey guys, welcome back to EB Designs. It's good to see you again. For this week's video, we are going to make a sweet blowgun out of this PVC pipe. So let's get started. Time for some paint. Alrighty, so our blowgun is now dry. As you can see, I painted it a nice brown earth tone color so we can sneak up on them rabbits and squirrels. But now, I picked up this 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch pipe converter, and that's going to work as our mouthpiece. Should work pretty good. Now I'm going to paint that, but I'm going to paint it green instead of brown. Okay, so now that we have our mouthpiece on our blowgun and we have our paracord wrapped around for our handle, we are now going to make some blow darts. So to do that, I did a little bit of research, and King of Random had a good idea. He takes some of these post-it stick-it notes and wrap them up into a point, and then take scotch tape or duct tape, whatever you have, and wrap it around that on the outside. And then take and shove it into the end of your pipe to get a good reading on how big it needs to be, and cut it off a little bit past that mark just to make a snug fit. And then chop the end tip off and put a nail in there, and then dab some hot glue in there. So I had just an absolute blast trying to figure out what for different points and tips what to use. I was using every sort of different nail, whatever I could find in the workshop, and I made about 20 couple different kinds. Well, 20 of them altogether, several different kinds. Now I'm about 10 yards away from the target, and we're going to see which one works the best. Okay, so we've shot the little ones a bunch of times. Now it's time to bring out the big guns. Now I have no clue if I can stick this in, but we're gonna give it a try. So, gotta blow hard. Woo! Check it out. Those big ones actually bury themselves in there. Okay, so this thing could be done at this point, but you can't just carry around sharp tips in your pocket. So I'm going to make something yet to hold our ammunition. My idea is to cut 2 circles out of wood, drill a hole, slip it over, and I have some packaging foam I'll glue to the one piece of wood, and the other one will have some holes drilled in. So stay tuned. We'll be back shortly when it's finished. Well, folks, there you have it. The final product. It's been fun to get back in the wood shop and make something. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. I'm gonna go find some rabbits.